Hello, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Reyes. So we're going to be talking about subtraction. And so what I've done is I've created a problem, 45 minus 24, and then you can see that I have modeled out 45. So I have my 4 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I have my 5 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when we're subtracting, we are going to take away the bottom number from the top number. So as you can see here, we don't have to regroup. When you look at both of our place values, we've got a 4 and a 5. Both of those numbers are greater than 2 and 4, so we don't have to regroup with this one. So if there's no regrouping, all you simply need to do is do your subtracting. So 5 minus 4, actually I'll use this. So we can just take away our 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That leaves 1 left. And then 2 minus 4, if we take 2 away, that leaves 2 more, 21. So that was a pretty straightforward one. Now in our next one, you're going to see that this one isn't as easy because now we've got a 93 minus 46. Now 93 as a whole number is a lot greater than 46. However, when you start breaking it up in our place values, you can see that 3 is not greater than 6. So what we need to end up doing is we need to end up regrouping. So in a sense, we are going to take I'm going to use a different color to pop this out better. We're going to take our 9 and we're going to leave 8 of them because we need to actually borrow one. So if I come over here, I'm actually going to take this 9 and take this group of 10. Everything's hiding. So I'm going to take this 10 and it's actually going to go away. So then I'm going to basically cash it in for 10 of these, 10 ones. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's our 10. Now you can see that we put 10 ones in there, but we already had 3 ones. So right down here, our 13 is going to go from a 13 to, or from a 3 to a 13. So I'm going to go back to my red. So I'm going to cross that out. And now that this is a 13. Because we've taken one of our 10s and we've traded it in for our 1s. So now we've got 13 minus 6. Now that we can do. So 13 minus 6. If I go ahead and if I take 6 away, I'll do like that size. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That leaves us with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 13 minus 6 does in fact equal 7. And then you just have to do your ones. So now we've got 8 minus 4 because we only have 8 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And so if we take 4 of them away, 1, 2, 3, 4, you're going to see we have 4 left, 47. Now, if I can, then really quick, if I end up having enough time, I can show you the check. And the check is taking the difference, and then you're going to add it to the number that was subtracted. And then my 1 plus 4 equals a 5, and my 2 plus 2 equals a 4. If I get a 45, which matches the number that I started with, then I did it correctly. So over here, even though there's not a lot of space, I'll kind of do it up here at the top. If I take my 47 and if I add in my 46, sometimes this has just got a mind of its own. 46. Xander, shh. I got my 6 plus 3. No, that looks awful, but it's a 6 plus 3. That equals 9. Oh, I'm sorry. No. That equals 13. So I'm going to take my 1. There's my 3. 4 and 4 is 8 plus 1, 9. 93. And you can see that it matches.